Hi there. I'd like to show you a new, secure, and easy way to manage your projects. Introducing Trimble Connected Community. Trimble Connected Community, or TCC, is an online information management system that uses web-based tools to make managing projects hassle-free. With TCC, you can manage project data such as designs, site plans, and reports using a secure, easy-to-use system. Trimble Connected Community provides you with all the information you need, all in one place. TCC is comprised of a series of gizmos. These gizmos help you create your fully custom project site with the click of a mouse. Let's take a look at the TCC site gizmos. Our first gizmo is the TCC Visual Organizer. The Visual Organizer is TCC's most robust and versatile application. The Visual Organizer, or VO, makes managing your projects even easier. VO allows for you to track an entire project site with just one tool. VO offers a set of informational layers that a project team can place on top of a project site map. Add pictures, files, and even aerial shots to your site plan with the click of a mouse. Combine layers to get the full project scope. Isolate a layer to get more detail on a specific task. Managing a large project has never been this easy. Our next gizmo is the Wiki gizmo. A wiki is a page or collection of web pages designed to enable anyone to contribute or modify content using a simplified markup language. It can contain a variety of content, including text, images, and links. A wiki can be edited using the basic online editor within the Trimble Connected Community, or it can be created offline using tools with a more advanced capability, such as the Microsoft Office suite. Use a wiki to provide a single column on the page for useful links, news items, contact details that would be useful to a reader. A forum is a location where users can post entries about different topics that they would like help with. Forums are an effective way to hold discussions or review issues across a group. Votes and polls can be used to gain acceptance or to determine an opinion of the group on a certain subject matter. A forum entry can also contain links to other websites or files. For example, you could use a forum to track activities on a project, link to a project base station, and to send and track requests for information to an engineer. Forums enable users to view entries and post replies about topics. Ever wonder how an out-of-town project is shaping up? Our Site Camera gizmo lets you check in on a project in real time. See live photos of your project and even watch your project come to life with our time-lapsed video feature. Managing an out-of-town project doesn't get any easier than with Trimble Connected Community. Our next gizmo is the Files gizmo. The Files gizmo provides the ability to display a selected file space including all folders, subfolders, and their contained files. Users can create new folders and subfolders, upload and download files to selected folders, and rename or delete files in that file space. File spaces can contain resources such as specific documents, project contracts, design information, or site data. The Calendar gizmo provides the ability to create a number of calendars that can be grouped together to form a single calendar. The calendar can be viewed by the day, week, work week, month, or as an agenda list. Calendars are added to a page using the Calendar gizmo. Creating a new calendar allows the definition of the calendar name, short name, and a description of the calendar content. Once the calendar has been created, the user can define the color and the permissions for that calendar. Existing calendars can be selected and used in multiple locations. For example, each project may have their own set of calendars, and a head office personnel may aggregate all of the project calendars for that specific project. Examples of this could include the following type of project calendars. An equipment log tracks equipment rented to the project on hire and off hire dates. A weather log tracks lost production due to inclement weather. An incident log records any incidents or accidents that may have occurred on site. Our next gizmo is the Quick Notes gizmo. Use a quick note to add notes to a page. You can use a quick note to make a memo to yourself, to your team, or to share with others. You can use quick notes to track to-do items, track project information, and to take notes on a project meeting. You can add as many quick notes to a page as you would like. You can also drag and drop quick notes on your page to reorganize them. The next gizmo is the GeoPicture Viewer. The GeoPicture Viewer provides users with the ability to place digital images on a Google Map or Microsoft Virtual Earth backdrop. By placing images on the backdrop, the images are geotagged with the latitude and longitude of the location. Images that come from a geotagging-enabled camera are automatically placed on the backdrop map. The GeoPicture Viewer also provides a photo gallery function, allowing the user to browse image thumbnails on an image wall and see selected images in enlarged form. A blog is a discussion thread. Blogs are edited much in the same way as a wiki page and can contain URL links, email links, images, tables, as well as simple text content. Blog entries are archived monthly. To access a previous month's blog, open the appropriate monthly archive. Our next gizmo is the web frame gizmo. Use a web frame to embed the content from another website into a single page of a site. A web frame is a live content that comes from a URL which you set in the web frame configuration setting. You could also use a web frame to embed a Google Picasa image library. This is just one example of what web frames can do for your website. TCC also offers RSS feeds. RSS feeds are available from a large number of locations on the internet. They are news broadcasts that can be picked up and displayed in a page. Multiple RSS feeds can be added to a single page. Thank you for taking an in-depth look at the Trimble Connected Community. You can get more information on TCC by visiting our website at myconnectedsite.com. Trimble Connected Community, keeping people connected to projects online.